Folks, I don't want to say about Paulo Cruzada. Paulo Cruzada, don't do that to Wawel Romero. You know me, I made this video for you, Paulo Cruzada. You should not harass Wawel Romero. For me, I just gotta say to you, Wawel Romero's friends, her friend anyway is working in CIDG in the police, in the Philippine National Police. Remember, Paulo Cruzada, if you attempt to rape Wawel Romero, her parents will file the cases against you. Oh, do you want to be really happen to me that I was being sued by David Gill and his family? They filed me, what is that? Complaint affidavit. Paulo Cruzada, just remember that rape joke over with Wawel Romero. It's not really funny, eh? Wawel, she doesn't do anything to you. Oh, me and J. Rick Silva, we already reconciled with Wawel Romero. I just mentioned about Wawel Romero. She's my schoolmate. Oh, she didn't bully me in the first place. Wawel is very kind. Oh, when I see her in Trinoma last 2011, after the closing program of CDIFI, I saw Wawel. I encounter Wawel Romero. I encounter Nikki Miranda. Oh, when I was in SM North, I encounter Nikki Miranda last January 2026. Paulo Cruzada, can you just stop harassing the, Wawel Romero? I say again, Paulo Cruzada, I never talk with Wawel Romero in Messenger. Please, Paulo Cruzada, just leave her alone. Don't attempt to rape Wawel. Wawel, she doesn't do anything to you. Even your family had said to you, is this what kind of person that you want to harass Wawel Romero? Oh, and Paulo Cruzada, you should not do that to Wawel. Wawel, she is very kind at me. She is just like, I remember Wawel Romero. She just like Ate Isa. Oh, don't do that. Paulo Cruzada, what will be happen if your parents died? Oh, who will taking care of you? Oh, your mother had said to you, you're a special child. For me, Paulo Cruzada, just stop harassing other people. Just to know, Wawel doesn't like cyberbullying. Oh, she is my good friend. Don't do that to my other schoolmates in CDIFI. Paulo Cruzada, first of all, Joseph Maspinas. Second is Wawel Romero. Third is Teacher May. What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? Why are you trying to attempt to harass Wawel Romero? Don't even know, Paulo Cruzada, that her friend of Wawel Romero was working there in CIDG. She's working there in police. He was graduated in PNPA. Like, I never mentioned his name. Oh, once that you harass Wawel Romero, you will get you in trouble. And first of all, Paulo Cruzada, you attempt to rape Teacher Freddy May Masalabsilos. Does even Teacher Freddy May Masalabsilos knows you? Does even Teacher Freddy May Masalabsilos that that she really knows you in physically. Remember, Paulo Cruzada. Do you know about teacher Freddy May Masalabsilos, who was working in the police in Cagayan? He will arrest you, Paulo Cruzada. Just remember, mag-ingat ka, Paulo Cruzada, sa paggagawa mo. Like, you do not know what you're talking about, what you are saying to anybody, to everyone, who are just trying to harass everybody. And Paulo Cruzada, I do not want to say to you, you need to rehab yourself. I've been talked to the girls in Caloocan. I say to the girls, you need to bring Paulo Cruzada in therapy. You need to bring Paulo Cruzada in the girls BGC. I was told by Manuel Luis Antonio. There's girls in Muntinlupa. You go in therapy, Paulo Cruzada. You need to fix yourself. You know me, I've been there in therapy since I was six. And then the time I stopped therapy when I was 10 years old. 9 years old. During the time of Luis Cabales. All you need to do, Paulo Cruzada, just stop harassing Wawel Romero and teacher Freddy May Masalabsilos, because you do not know who's messing at. First of all, Paulo Cruzada, you harass teacher Freddy May Masalabsilos. Her boyfriend was a police officer. What you gonna say to yourself, Paulo Cruzada? After you threatened to hostage teacher May, Lorraine Shook, even teacher Marisa, teacher Riza, teacher Jessa, including teacher Lendel. At least you threatened to hostage my former teacher, teacher Joy Fedao Sancheta. You know what, Paulo Cruzada? You need to rehab. Otherwise, I just told by J. Rick Silva, papakain ka na daw ng Philippine Raptor. With this gang in Spedmotics. I have a lots of gang in Spedmotics who remember Jude Goles, Alfred Aslabra. Who else who remember Spedmotics? In CDIFI. Lawrence Villawan, including my friend Bill Galang. You do not know who's messing at. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you are wanted by Davao City Police. Remember that Joseph Maspina said to me, you are wanted. And also Ate Mel Canete had said to me also, she said to me, wanted na po si Paulo Cruzada, may patong ng ulo. Ate Mel Canete said, you are wanted, Paulo Cruzada. You harass Kuya Joel. Does even Kuya Joel knows you, Paulo Cruzada? Why did you do that to Kuya Joel? Kuya Joel, I say again, Paulo Cruzada, it's not a construction worker of my arch enemy Dada. It was a janitor in CDIFI, Tolentino. Kuya Joel Tolentino, he doesn't know you, Paulo Cruzada. Have a shame to Kuya Joel Tolentino. And first of all, Paulo Cruzada, you should be ashamed of yourself. Maya ka naman. At least I have a member of Spedmotics of CDIFI, John Mendoza. John Mendoza said so. He will put you IED. Oh, you will blow up into pieces, Paulo Cruzada, if you're going to die. You want that? And he will eat you by Philippine Raptor. Like I said, what I just said to John Mendoza, oh, ilagyan ko ang IED sa katawan ni Paulo Cruzada para sabugin ang katawan. Oh, like I said, oh, you know, I'm not making a bomb joke, Paulo Cruzada. And then you will eaten by Philippine Raptor, like J. Rick Silva said. So, what does J. Rick Silva said? Ipakain si Paulo Cruzada sa Philippine Raptor. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, you should learn about your lesson. You should be ashamed of yourself, even to everybody, to anyone, even to my former classmates in CDIFI. I'm ashamed. You know, my mom says to me, I never want to harass Wawel. Oh, because she is your friend. Oh, me, I understand. I understand Jordan Pilapil. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, do you want Jordan Pilapil get angry at you for what you did to everyone? You know, this is not really funny. Oh, you need to learn your consequence, Paulo Cruzada. You know me, I learned my consequence, what I just did to David Gill and his family. Oh, for me, I'm just wanna demand to you, Paulo Cruzada. I just say again, you need to apologize, Wawel Romero. All you need to do, humingi ka ng pasensya kay Wawel. Wag mo kasi siya guluhin. You know that. Because Wawel doesn't like negatives.